I was stuck at $200 saved for months. Then, in 1 month, I crossed 1,000 faster than I thought. Here's exactly how I did it, step by step, and how you can copy it tonight. If this already sounds useful, tap like so this reaches more beginners. If you've tried to save and it never sticks, this is for you. We'll keep it simple, realistic, and beginner-friendly. You'll hear the moves I used in order, the mistakes I made, and the tiny weekly check-in that kept everything running. There are 5 moves. The first one took 2 minutes and quietly did half the job. Ready? Move 1. Pay yourself first. Automate it. Open a high-yield savings account and name it Starter. Emergency fund. Set an automatic transfer for payday morning $20 to $50 to start. Small is fine. The habit is the engine. Why it works. Your brain spends what it sees. If savings leave first, you don't miss it. Question for you. If $20 left your account before you woke up, would you even feel it by noon? What number could you set today without pain? Coming up, the leak I didn't see until I looked at one screen. Move 2. Kill the silent leak subscription audit. Open your bank cat pan filter by recurring. I found 3. A trial I forgot. A duplicate cloud plan. And a streaming bundle I barely used. I canceled 2 and paused $139 a month. DAC. Mini rule. If it doesn't earn you time, Joe, or money at least once a week, it's gone. Checkpoint. What's your lowest impact subscription right now? Say it out loud. Could you pause it for 30 days? Next, the grocery fix that stopped my week 1 blowouts. Move 3. Pre-fund essentials on a separate card. I moved a set amount to a dedicated card for groceries and gas 2 weeks at a time and used only that card for those categories. When it was low, I knew, not guessed. That alone cut impulse runs and delivery fees. Starter numbers. Groceries $200, $250 per person for 2 weeks. Adjust to your area. Gas. Budget the next to fill-ups. Question. If your food and fuel money lived on its own card, how many random swipes would disappear this week? Right after this, the rule that kills impulse buys without willpower. Move 4. The 24-hour rule for non-essentials. Anything over $20 goes to a maybe list for 24 hours. Not the cart, the list. If I still wanted it tomorrow, I decided then. Most wants died overnight. Twist that helps. Give yourself 1 guilt-free treat each week and cut to my habits you won't miss. Quick question. What's your automatic impulse coffee runs, gadgets, late night snacks? What would 1 week pause save? Final move is where the extra money appears fast. Move 5. Small extra income plus tiny weekly ritual. I sold 3 items I didn't use, a spare monitor, a coffee grinder, and a backpack 1 weekend. 180 total. Then I tried a micro gig, 2 hours of delivery on Saturday 56 after gas. Now the ritual. Every Sunday 60 seconds, check balances, move $10 of leftovers to savings, set 1 spending guardrail for the week. Example, groceries Thursday only, or no. Delivery this week. Small wins compound. Reality check. My month in numbers. Auto transfer. $50 twice equals plus $100. Subscriptions canceled. $39. Delivery fees cut. $25. 24-hour rule. $45 I didn't spend. Sell 3 items. $180. Micro gig. $56. Tiny leftovers from the food cart. $18. That's how I crossed $1,000 faster than I expected without a raise. Question for you. If you stack just 3 of these wins, which 3 would you choose? Fixes for common situations. Irregular income. Base amounts on your 3-month average. On low weeks. Keep the transfer tiny $5 or $10 so the habit never breaks. Heavy debt? Minimums on everything. Then any extra to the highest APR first. Still move $20 to savings to build momentum and avoid new debt when a small surprise hits. Money is tight. Start with 5. Keep the ritual. Sell 1 item this weekend. You're building identity. Not chasing perfection. To speed boosts if you want to reach 1,000 faster. 1. Turn 1 fixed bill into a cheaper version for 90 days internet, phone, or insurance and move the difference straight to savings. 2. Add a weekly 2-hour block for income deliveries. Freelancing, or a simple service. 2 hours is short enough to keep. Long enough to matter. Mid-video check-in. Which move feels easiest to start tonight? Automatic transfer. Subscription audit. Food cart. 24-hour rule. Or sell one item. Say it. That's your starting line. Before we wrap, here's a tiny mindset that saved me from quitting. When I slipped yes. I ordered takeout. I didn't start over Monday. I asked, what's the next smallest win I can do? Then I did it in 5 minutes. Momentum over guilt. If this helped, tap like and comment 1000 with the first move you'll try today. Want more simple money videos? Subscribe new videos daily. One rule at a time. Educational content only, not financial advice.